Hello everyone. So guys, in this part of the video, we will do the negative sentences of simple present tense as we have covered the affirmative sentences in our previous part of the videos. Now let's begin with the topic. So how will we identify the sentences in Hindi? हिंदी में पहचान क्या है? As we have already done in our previous video, ता है, ती है, ते हैं, ता, ती, ते. Fine. सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में हिंदी में सेंटेंस की पहचान होती है ता है, ती है, ते हैं, ता, ते, ती. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस में क्या था? मैं ये काम करता हूँ. अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस आर simple sentences, positive sentences. Here we are doing the negative sentences of simple present tense. So इसमें पहचान क्या होगी हिंदी में? मैं ये काम नहीं करता हूँ. फाइन. नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में सिर्फ नॉट लगाना है हिंदी में और कुछ नहीं है. नहीं आता है हिंदी में. सेंटेंस की लास्ट की पहचान सेम होगी. ता है, ती है, ते हैं. मैं चाय नहीं पीता. मैं वहाँ नहीं जाता. फॉर एग्जाम्पल वह उसे नहीं जानते हैं. फाइन. लास्ट में मेन वर्ब के साथ ता है, ती है, ते है का यूज होता है. Now let's have a look at the rules of simple present tense. How will we make the negative sentences in English? What are the rules? Subject, do, does, not, then first form of verb, then object. Here two helping verbs are given. So do is used with plural subject. What are the plural subjects? I, we, you, they. Children, people. Fine. So these are the plural subjects. We will use do not with plural subjects in negative sentences. For example, we do not know them. Okay. We do not play cricket. I do not go there. I do not take tea. They do not get up early in the morning. Okay. What about the singular subjects? Singular subjects are he, she, it, any name. So we'll use does not in the negative sentences. For example, she does not tell a lie. She does not play cricket. My mother does not cook. My mother does not go for walk. My mother is a singular subject. My father does not work in a bank. Fine. Now, these are some example sentences for you with do not and does not. Does not is used with singular subjects and do not is used with plural subjects. For example, they do not eat sweets. We do not listen to music. I do not get up early in the morning. You do not respect others. As I have told you, with plural subjects in the negative sentences, we will use do not. So these are the plural subjects I, we, you, they. Fine. What about singular subjects? With singular subjects, we'll use does not. Very simple. So these are some example sentences. She does not like flowers. Fine. According to the subjects, we will just change the helping verb. These are do and does. And the first form of the verb remain the same with all the subjects. Here some examples are given. She does not like flowers. So we have just changed the helping verb, that is do and does. So with singular subject we will use does not, and like is first form of verb. Fine. He does not learn English. Soham does not go to school. It does not work. Okay. Now here is a part for you. So these are some sentences for translation. मैं उसे नहीं जानता हूँ. वह संगीत नहीं सुनती है. So you have to translate them according to the rules which I have told you. Okay. And this is an exercise for practice. Make these sentences negative. She washes clothes every day. Lara plays the piano very well. We work very hard. He does the same thing every day. They know my phone number. I read the newspaper every day. My brother likes the cinema. So these all sentences are in simple present tense. Affirmative sentences of simple present tense. So you have to make them negative sentences of simple present tense. Okay. So best of luck. This is all for today. Thank you.